This is the day 12 of our 40-day series where we'll be analyzing 40 plus projects across North Bangalore. Hi, I'm Anshika from PropSoch and welcome to PropScope, our brand new series that is going to change how you look at Bangalore real estate. Over the next 40 days, we are going to deep dive into 40 projects in North Bangalore and give you all the facts with no marketing jargons. So subscribe us to not miss out on our journey. And today we are scoping Niku Home 6 by Bhartiya City Developers. It sits on an 8 acres of land parcel in Kogilu. The project offers two 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4 plus mate units ranging from 1,154 to 2,646 square feet. It comprises a total of 632 units across 2 towers, each rising 16 floors height. With a density of 79 units per acre, the project offers 79% open space, which is above the market average of 70%. And it also offers over 20,000 square feet of clubhouse that includes multiple lifestyle and sports facilities like pet park, amphitheater, swimming pool, gym, library, sauna, pharmacy, supermarket, and various sports facilities like basketball, cricket grounds, squash, running track, and even skating court. As you know, location is everything in real estate, so now let's talk about it. So Niku Home 6 Phase 2 sits on a 21-meter approach road in well-developed Kogilu area. Your daily metro commute options include Yelahanka metro station at just 1.4 kilometers, which is roughly 10 minutes by road. Your railway connectivity is coming from Yelahanka Junction Railway, again at just 2 kilometers. For air travelers, Kempegowda International Airport is just 20 kilometers by road, which is roughly 30-35 minutes. Other metro alternatives include Jakkur Cross at 5 kilometers and Baglu Cross at 4 kilometers. The project sits strategically in North Bangalore's Kogilu corridor, which is known for its residential development and great metro connectivity, which is making it ideal for professionals seeking convenient urban living with established infrastructure. Now let's talk about the legal status. So Niku Home 6 Phase 2 has secured all 7 out of 7 legal approvals by RERA. That includes Khata, development plan, all type of NOCs, height NOC, fire NOC, water NOC, among others. Also, to view the complete list of documents, comment PropScope and we'll share the link with you. Now let's talk about pricing. So it stands at around 11,300 rupees per square feet, while Kogilu's average micro market sits at around 10,400 rupees per square feet, which is slightly above market average. Unit prices span from 1.3 to 3 crores. But remember, registration and statutory charges are additional. Lastly, the possession date for this project is scheduled for September 2029. If you would like to know the pros and cons of properties like this on 80 plus key parameters, then click on the link given in the description box and register for a guided home buying program where we'll be helping you find the right home that fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we'll be taking you through 40 days of navigating North Bangalore real estate market with expert guidance.